Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll skip how to fix or have solved problem of too many operations on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this application here of Indeed job search. As you see, and we click here, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem.